Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to tradingrate.com. I am happy to present here what we have on Cryptoland. What's happening in Cryptoland? Is Bitcoin going to continue selling off or is it going to bounce? That's the $1 million question here for this video. So we saw a massive sell-off in the stock market today. We also saw a massive sell-off in crypto. So let's see what is going on from a technical aspect. What's going on with Bitcoin? Is it going to survive? Is it going to rally again? That is the question for this video. So without much ado, I will just go straight to the point here, and I'm going to share my screen and then we can get started. So Bitcoin, let's check out what's happening with Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, one thing that you have to know with Bitcoin is that Bitcoin has so far held this channel. So this is the weekly time frame, and it has held this channel. So this is from this is the parallel channel. This is from August 2024 lows held, and here we have April 7th, that's Liberation Day low held, and then here we are here right now. So this is the weekly time frame, and so far we haven't had Bitcoin close below the 50-week simple moving average, 50-week SMA. We haven't had Bitcoin close there since it hasn't closed there in a while. Okay, even at Liberation Day lows, what did it do? It still bounced there. Okay, anytime Bitcoin weekly candle has closed below the 50-week simple moving average, it leads to a bear market in crypto, right? So let's do some historical work. Let's look at it. In 2017, right? Look at 2017. Blow this up. In 2017, this is 2017 highs. Immediately we broke below this red line. See this red line? Immediately we broke below the 50-week simple moving average. What did it do? It caused Bitcoin to crash and into what? That's a confirmation of the bear market, and we came to the lows of 2017, which came to, that was in 2018 November. Okay, and then what do we get again? We got a rally. Then fast forward, we looked at COVID. When we broke below the 50-week SMA, we got a crash, right? A crash in the market, right? We got a sell-off in the market. So now, where are we now? Fast forward again, 2021, we came to that same 50. What did you do? We held, it battled it, and what did you do? Boom, they pushed it up to the highs again. So in 2021, we got two highs, one in April 2021, another one in November 2021, which formed a double top that caused the market to sell. And what did you do? Guess what? What did you do? They sold off, and what finally, you see here, there was a battle, there was a fight. And immediately gave in, we got a break below the 50 SMA, 50-week SMA, and what do we get? We got another bear market in crypto and Bitcoin. So right now, where is Bitcoin? Okay. Throughout this year, even with the Liberation Day low, we never got a weekly candle close below the 50-week SMA, which is significant, right? So as long as Bitcoin does not close, we still have one more day tomorrow, one more day. As long as Bitcoin does not close tomorrow below, or we still have the weekend as well. As long as we don't close below the 50-week SMA, the red line, we are going to get a bounce, right? We are going to get a bounce and a reversal. And that reversal is going to be very aggressive and volatile, right? Very aggressive, and it's going to push up to make new all-time highs. So I don't think this is the end of the road for crypto yet, but we could be surprised. I could be surprised with the break of this red line at the end of the week, right? Bitcoin is known to be the canary of the coal mines. That is, it gives us signals, early signals before it happens, right? And Bitcoin, as we know, is a risk asset. So anytime there's fear and panic, people gravitate towards selling their risk assets first before selling the assets that are safe havens, because that's where they're going to invest, continue investing. But the risk asset, they got rid of it, right? Also, over here as well, I see something looking like a head and shoulder. So here's the left shoulder. this is your right shoulder, this is your head, right? So if this is the head and shoulders and it's to play out, we can get further sell to the downside. But for now, let's look at it from a standpoint of if Bitcoin is able to hold this parallel channel and remount the 50, we are going to get that reversal. So it's not done yet, it's not out of the wood yet, but Bitcoin basically is more or less on life support. It needs that push to avert calamity. So we shall see how that plays out in the days and weeks ahead here. Next one is Ethereum. Ethereum is the ETH. That's the number 2 cryptocurrency. So over here, we do have Ethereum here. Let me check this out. We do have Ethereum here. So Ethereum has held this parallel channel. This is on the weekly time frame. I'll go to the daily soon. It has held this parallel channel so far. It's now at the bottom of the channel. It needs to reverse. It needs to hold, right? If it's able to hold and reverse, then we are going to get a reversal. And once we crack through this downsloping trend line, we are going to get a squeeze in Ethereum. Let's go to the dailies to see what's going on there. So on the daily, you can clearly see that it is consolidating here. It came here, it held, came here, it held, came here, it kissed it, it held, came here as well, it held. So now what we need to do is that we need to hold this area, this bottom area. If we can hold it, then we are going to get a reversal to the upside. So this is the line in the sun. This parallel channel support level at the bottom here is the line in the sun. If it breaks, we are heading down. Okay. All right. Next one is Solana. Solana. So Solana has been selling as well. But if you look here, you can see that Solana has this trend line here. It's a trend line that is forming here on Solana. Let me go to the weekly time frame to connect it. So here we have Solana here, so we can get a connection from here, from the bottom here to this area, right? So what's going to happen is that if this to sell, it must bounce somewhere here, right? It must bounce somewhere here. So that's what I'm looking for Ethereum to do, and we shall see how resilient it is once it gets here, because here is going to be a bounce level where it has to bounce. So I believe that once it bounces there, we are going to get that reversal to the upside. Okay. Next one is XRP. So with XRP, we can see the significance of the 50-week moving average here. So you see that this went back and then it sucked it up. It's never closed below the 50 SMA on the weekly, the red line. XRP has never closed there, and we shall see if it can do so, if it can still hold and reverse. So again, it needs help from Bitcoin, it needs help from Ethereum and the main cryptocurrencies for this to push up. So I believe that when all is said and done, we are going to get some kind of reversal in this. And I believe that as long as we don't close below, the weekly candle does not close below this red line, we are good. We are going to get a reversal. Okay. Yeah. So that is about it. That's what is really happening in crypto land. And I hope this was insightful. If you learned something from this, please put hit the like button, and also most importantly, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do, so that we can promote the channel, and also hit the notification bell and share this link with your friends and family. Have a good night. See you in the next video. All the best. Trade safe and manage your risk. Bye bye. Have a good night.